GitHub Pages genuinely turns a repository's real static files into a live, actual website hosted for free directly from GitHub. In this video, you'll deploy a real site with GitHub Pages. These real static files are all GitHub Pages genuinely needs, no server, no build step required for a plain HTML CSS site. This real setting tells GitHub to genuinely start serving the main branch's actual files as a live website. This is a real, genuine, working URL. GitHub Pages hosts it for free, updating automatically on every push to Mac. GitHub Pages genuinely serves a repository's static files as a real live website. No server or build step is required for a plain HTML CSS JS site. The real site updates automatically on every push to the configured branch. Enable GitHub Pages on a real repo of yours and visit the real live URL. Ready to write documentation people actually want to read.